Oh. Why did it just cut off? What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. I just purchased a ring light from Amazon and I'm excited to tell you guys about it. Or I'm excited to see it myself, honestly. So it was $18.99 to be exact. Cheap 10-inch ring light. I have no idea how good it is because the reviews was good on there, but it was only like 24 people that reviewed it. Right? Yeah. When I tried to search for it online, like outside of Amazon, I didn't see much on it, so I don't know what that means. Oh, this is for my Instapot. It's so little and it's so cute. It's for phones because I normally use my phone to record. This is how it comes. This is what it looks like. Almost as big as my head, and I have a really big head, so well, you know what 10 inches is. When it comes to this stuff, I'm like really something, you know. I guess I can put it on a higher tripod if I want to, so that's pretty cool. It comes with a short stand, so like I guess if you just want to put it on a desk or something, it comes with this little stand like a baby. Alrighty then. let's see what this is like. Okay, I need a thing to plug it in.
It would stint, she realized. Not even an instruction manual can save her life. Oh man.
This is the worst unboxing video you guys probably have ever seen because, you know, I'm just really confused. I probably should have opened it first and then played with it and then made this video. I'm so confused right now. Great. Like, oh, that's how it stays. Okay, I think we getting something, guys. At least I got it to stay straight. How do we put this on the thingamabob? Oh, you just slide it up in there.
That's what she said.
Yeah, just oh. I'm going to get a piece. Oh gosh. Got the piece. And we just plug it in. We got power, y'all. We got power. Oh. Why did it just cut off? Oh. What is happening? Ew. This is giving me like, maybe I gotta put it like that, right? And what is this? Blue vibes, warm vibes. I think this is the brightest it goes. Yeah. Feels pretty bright to me. Even if I had it like this, it's like, that's like, oh. This is so cool. I wonder what I look like. Oh! Well, maybe I need to look at the instruction manual a little bit more. But from what I see, I'm confused, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, duh. Okay, so you put the phone clip thing on, and then you screw this part so that it's tight. And so I can pass my phone, please. You screw it so that it can't come out. So this is making a little bit more sense. But I still have a con with this thing, and it's bugging me. It keep cutting off. And I don't know if it's the piece that I'm using, which I don't really understand why it will cut off even with the piece that I'm using, because okay, this thing is getting on my nerve. That's why they say don't be cheap. And boom, we have no light. What is this about? This may be a return, y'all, because I don't get why I keep cutting off. I'm not understanding it. I'm holding it in right now. I don't know, like I said, if it's the block that I'm using or if it's just this thing, but it keep cutting off and it's pissing me off. I think I recommend it as far as the price because it's cheap, but I think that it seems cheap. But this one have really good reviews. I don't know why it's not staying on for me, but it's not. And it's making me upset. It's making me really mad. I'm gonna cut this video off here because I feel like it's a hot mess. Like really, I wish I could show y'all what just happened. My daughter knocked down the whole everything. Like, oh, she's gonna fix it. Thank you guys for watching whatever this was. I don't even know if I should title a review. Like, what was this? This is lit. Literally lit. Poppin'. We got a ring light. Poppin'. We got a ring light. Oh, poppin'. We got a ring. I'm an official YouTuber. I was hyped for this ring light to come. Y'all don't even understand.
A few moments later.
You know what's so stupid? I'm sorry. I know I told y'all I was about to end this video, but I'll be looking at people's eyes like, oh, she got a ring light. She official YouTuber. Oh, he got a ring light in his eyes. Oh, yeah, he real poppin'. So now I feel like I'm poppin'. Like, I feel like I joined the club. If you see me clear, I mean, you know this is poppin'. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Right down below. Click the red button. Subscribe now.